In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a crucial workflow, importing tasks into ClickUp using a spreadsheet. If you've ever felt overwhelmed transferring your project data or wondered how to quickly migrate tasks from a CSV or Excel file, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to bring your spreadsheet tasks into ClickUp, giving you a seamless transition and saving hours of manual entry. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your profile. In ClickUp, that's the little avatar icon or profile photo at the very top right of your screen. Clicking there brings up a menu. Take a moment to locate it, since it's the gateway to all your account settings. Next, within that menu, you'll find Settings. Go ahead and click Settings. This area contains everything for personalizing your workspace and handling imports and exports. Sometimes you might need to scroll just a bit or look in a sidebar, but don't worry, it's all right there and pretty intuitive once you know where to look. Now head into the section labeled Imports Exports, here, where the magic happens for bringing in outside task lists like those from spreadsheets. You'll see options for different sources. For this tutorial, select Spreadsheet. Choosing this specifically tells ClickUp you want to bring in tasks from a file, whether it's an Excel sheet, a CSV export from another app, or a template you've built yourself. Now, before you proceed, ClickUp will ask you to select a teamspace. Teamspaces are like folders for your projects and tasks. Picking the right one ensures your tasks land exactly where you want them. For example, if you're migrating tasks for your marketing team, be sure to choose the marketing teamspace. If you're unsure which to pick, think about where these tasks need to live so your teammates can find them. The next step is pretty important, selecting the format of your data. Here you get to specify if your spreadsheet is a CSV, XLS, or another supported format. This helps ClickUp read your data properly, so it lines up each row and column just the way you envisioned. If your sheet was exported from another platform, double-check that you're picking the right format here. It's kind of like making sure you have the proper plug adapter if you're traveling, essential for a smooth connection. Once you've set the format, hit Continue. Now, ClickUp will invite you to upload your file. You can either browse and select it from your computer, or if you like things speedy, just drag and drop the file directly into the window. The drag and drop feature is great because it's quick and reassuring, especially if you're moving several different spreadsheets. Here, where you slow down a bit, you get to review your spreadsheet before the actual import. Take a moment to look over the columns and rows that ClickUp previewed for you. This review step is super useful because sometimes something can slip through, maybe a typo in a task name or a missing due date. It's better to catch it now than have to clean up later, so don't rush. If you spot anything odd, you can go back and fix your file. If everything looks good after your review, proceed by clicking Continue. ClickUp may show you additional confirmation screens, just to make sure you're happy with the mapping between your spreadsheet and the ClickUp task fields. This is your last chance to double-check before going live. And finally, with everything in order, just click Import into ClickUp. The tasks from your spreadsheet are now being transferred into your chosen teamspace. Depending on the size of your file, this part might take a few moments, so don't worry if your browser pauses here. It's working to bring all your hard work over. That's all there is to it. Your tasks should now appear inside ClickUp, ready for you and your team to start getting things done. I hope this helped make the process super clear and took the stress out of importing your spreadsheet tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues. I'm here to help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this on making your workflows smoother. Thanks for watching.